Welcome to Bitfi. With Bitfi, making a transaction is simple and extremely secure. It is the only wallet that does not store your private keys and instead generates them at the time of transaction. All you need is an internet-enabled device, a Wi-Fi connection, and your Bitfi. Part 1. Sending funds. Sign in to your online dashboard at www.bitfi.com/Knox. Power on your Bitfi device, ensuring the device is connected to Wi-Fi. Choose the coin or token you wish to send. Click on the Send button to the left of your screen. A pop-up window will ask for the payee address you are sending funds to, as well as the amount you are sending. Enter the address and the amount you wish to send. Double-check to make sure you are sending to the correct address. Choose the fee amount you wish to pay. Click the Calculate Fee button to see the fee charged by the network. Prior to clicking the Send Request button, press Open Wallet on your device. Now, click the blue Send Request button. You will now see a pop-up appear on your device asking if you would like to sign and pay, and a success window on your dashboard letting you know that your payment request has been sent to your Bitfi device. Click Yes, Continue. You will be asked to enter your SALT and your passphrase. Enter your SALT. Enter your passphrase. The passphrase and SALT must be the exact match of what you entered during setup. Note that spaces, capital letters, and any special characters all must be exactly as initially entered. A confirmation window will ask if you would like to send the amount of your funds to the address you provided. Confirm the amount and the address are correct. Click Yes, Continue. The device will now calculate your private key from your SALT and phrase and send the approval to the blockchain. In the Success window, click OK to close the wallet. Once you click OK to close your wallet, the private key associated with your funds disappears from the device until you need it again. Congratulations! You have just used your Bitfi wallet to securely send your funds on the blockchain. Part 2. Receiving funds. The dashboard is all you will need and allows you to receive and view your balances without requiring the secure computation of private keys with your Bitfi device. Your funds, which are recorded on public blockchains, are viewed and managed on the dashboard. Receiving funds does not require the use of your Bitfi device. The dashboard scans public addresses on the blockchain to display your balance for each coin or token. Private keys, which control your funds, remain fully protected during public viewing as they do not exist until your Bitfi device calculates them at the time of transaction from your SALT and passphrase. To receive funds, navigate to the currency you wish to receive by clicking the Select Currency button. Clicking on the More button takes you to a full list of supported currencies and assets. You can enter any currency's wallet by clicking the Select button. Once you have entered the currency wallet, you will see the public address and the balance held in the wallet. Now simply send funds to the address displayed here or the corresponding QR code. To illustrate this, we will send funds from an exchange to the Bitfi wallet. Click the Click to Copy link to copy the wallet's public address to your clipboard. Click on the Withdraw button from your exchange wallet. Paste your Bitfi receiving address into the destination field. Click the Withdraw button. Complete your transaction and check your withdrawal history in your exchange to confirm completion. The funds will now be received by the Bitfi wallet. The time